Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including a link to less annoying CRM, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's my take on less annoying CRM. This customer relationship management (CRM) tool stands out for its simplicity and user-friendliness, specifically catering to small businesses and solopreneurs. It's a great choice if you're aiming to streamline sales and customer management without the overwhelming complexity and hefty price tag of typical CRM software. One of the most impressive aspects of less annoying CRM is its intuitive design. The platform minimizes the learning curve, making it accessible even for those completely new to CRM systems. Setting up an account is incredibly quick, and the interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can efficiently add contacts, track leads, and manage your entire sales pipeline without feeling lost or confused. Contact and lead management are at the core of less annoying CRM. It provides a centralized location to store all your contact information, track every interaction, and log important notes. The customizable pipeline management tool allows you to closely monitor deals at each stage of the sales process, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. You can also create tasks and set reminders for follow-up actions, which helps you stay organized and on top of your daily to-do list. Another valuable feature is the seamless integration of calendar and task management tools within the CRM. This integration streamlines your workflow by enabling you to schedule meetings, plan activities, and track deadlines, all within a single platform. Less annoying CRM also offers essential reporting features that provide valuable insights into your sales progress and team performance. Unlike many other CRM options, less annoying CRM offers straightforward and affordable pricing. A single flat fee covers all features and allows for unlimited users. This pricing model makes it particularly attractive for smaller teams and solo entrepreneurs. While it might not offer advanced functionalities like marketing automation or extensive third-party integrations, its simplicity and affordability are perfect for businesses primarily focused on managing customer relationships efficiently without unnecessary complexity. To sum up, less annoying CRM is an excellent choice for small businesses and individuals looking for a practical, affordable CRM solution for managing contacts and sales pipelines. Its user-friendly interface and transparent pricing make it a compelling option for anyone who prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. Check out the links in the description to learn more about less annoying CRM and determine if it's the right fit for your business. This review aims to help you decide whether less annoying CRM is the solution you've been searching for.